Our universe is awash in energy. It flows through the cosmos, a symphony of power and potential. From the smallest atom to the largest star, energy is the fundamental currency of existence. It drives the celestial dance of planets, fuels the fires of distant suns, and empowers the very essence of life itself. Yet, here on Earth, we grapple with an insatiable hunger for energy, constantly seeking new sources to power our ever-growing demands. But what if we could tap into a source of energy that was limitless, clean, and freely available to all? This is the tantalizing promise of free energy, a concept that has captivated inventors, scientists, and dreamers for centuries. It represents a paradigm shift in our relationship with energy, a future where the constraints of fossil fuels and their environmental consequences become a distant memory. Imagine a world where energy poverty is eradicated, where clean and sustainable power is accessible to every corner of the globe. This is the vision that inspired pioneers like Nikola Tesla and Thomas Henry Moray, who dared to challenge conventional thinking and unlock the secrets of free energy. Their groundbreaking work, though often shrouded in controversy and skepticism, continues to ignite our imaginations and fuel the quest for a brighter, more sustainable future. Join us as we delve into the captivating world of free energy, exploring the scientific principles, historical breakthroughs, and enduring legacy of these visionary inventors. The allure of free energy is not merely about technological advancement. It represents a profound shift in our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It is a concept that has fascinated scientists and dreamers alike for generations, promising a future where energy is no longer a limiting factor in human progress. It challenges the very foundations of our energy infrastructure, promising a future where the limitations of scarcity and environmental degradation are replaced by abundance and sustainability. This shift could revolutionize how we live, work, and interact with our environment, creating a harmonious balance between human activity and the natural world. Imagine a world where homes are powered by the ambient energy of the environment, where every building is a self-sustaining unit, drawing power from the air, the sun, and the earth itself, where transportation systems draw upon an invisible network of wireless energy, eliminating the need for fossil fuels and reducing our carbon footprint significantly, and where industries thrive on clean, limitless power, enabling unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation without the environmental costs associated with traditional energy sources. This vision extends far beyond our immediate needs, encompassing a future where energy poverty becomes a relic of the past. It envisions a world where every corner of the globe has access to the energy needed to foster growth and development. Developing nations, often burdened by limited access to electricity and reliant on polluting energy sources, could leapfrog into a new era of sustainable development. This would not only improve living standards, but also open up new opportunities for education, healthcare, and economic growth. The social, economic, and environmental implications of free energy are staggering, promising to reshape the geopolitical landscape and usher in an era of global prosperity. It could lead to a more equitable distribution of resources, reducing conflicts over energy, and fostering international cooperation. However, the path to realizing this transformative future is fraught with challenges. The journey is complex and requires overcoming significant scientific, economic, and political hurdles. Skepticism within the scientific community, vested interests in maintaining the status quo, and the complexities of developing commercially viable free energy technologies all present formidable obstacles. These challenges require innovative solutions and a collective effort from all sectors of society. Yet, the pursuit of free energy remains a compelling endeavor, driven by the profound potential to address some of humanity's most pressing challenges. It is a quest that inspires scientists, engineers, and visionaries to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we explore the work of Tesla, Moray, and other pioneers in the field, we begin to unravel the mysteries surrounding free energy and its potential to reshape our world. Their groundbreaking experiments and theories laid the foundation for modern research and continue to inspire new generations of innovators. Their stories serve as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the enduring quest to harness the universe's boundless energy for the betterment of humankind. It is a journey that continues to evolve, driven by the hope of a brighter, more sustainable future for all. Nikola Tesla, a name synonymous with innovation and genius, stands as a towering figure in the history of electrical engineering. His contributions have left an indelible mark on the world, shaping the very fabric of modern technology. Born in 1856 in the Austrian Empire, Tesla's brilliance was evident from an early age. His insatiable curiosity and extraordinary intellect set him apart from his peers, foreshadowing the groundbreaking work he would later accomplish. His mind teemed with ideas that would revolutionize the world, forever altering the course of technological advancement. The Industrial Revolution was a fertile ground for his inventive spirit, providing the perfect backdrop for his pioneering work. While best known for his contributions to alternating current AC electricity, Tesla harbored a far grander vision, a world wirelessly interconnected by a limitless supply of free energy. This vision was not just a dream, but a mission that he pursued with relentless determination. Tesla's fascination with energy and its transmission began in his youth. He was captivated by the mysteries of electricity and magnetism, spending countless hours reading and experimenting to unlock their secrets. He envisioned a world where power could be harnessed from the environment and transmitted wirelessly to every corner of the globe, freeing humanity from the constraints of traditional power grids. This revolutionary idea promised to transform the way we live and work. This vision drove him to dedicate his life to unlocking the secrets of electricity and magnetism, tirelessly experimenting and refining his theories. He pushed the limits of what was considered feasible in his laboratory, which developed into a center of innovation. Introducing his revolutionary creation, the Tesla Coil, in 1891 was Tesla's proud moment. This invention was a monument to his brilliance and forethought as well as a scientific wonder. This remarkable device, capable of generating high-voltage, high-frequency alternating current electricity, became the cornerstone of his wireless energy transmission experiments. It demonstrated the potential of wireless power in a way that captivated the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Tesla believed that by harnessing the Earth's natural electrical resonance, he could create a global system for transmitting power wirelessly, much like radio waves transmit information. This concept was revolutionary, promising to make energy accessible to all, regardless of location. His dream was to empower humanity with a clean, limitless source of energy, freeing us from the shackles of fossil fuels and their detrimental effects on the planet. Tesla's vision was not just about convenience, but about creating a sustainable future for generations to come. Tesla's idea of a wirelessly powered future is still captivating and inspiring, offering optimism for a green tomorrow. His legacy lives on in the ongoing quest for innovative energy solutions, reminding us of the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. Section 4. Tesla's Magnifying Transmitter, tapping into the Earth's energy. Tesla's pursuit of wireless energy transmission led him to develop one of his most ambitious inventions, the magnifying transmitter. This colossal tower, constructed in 1901 in Shoreham, New York, was designed to be the centerpiece of his global wireless energy system. Tesla envisioned a network of these towers strategically positioned around the world, capable of transmitting vast amounts of energy through the Earth's atmosphere and crust. The magnifying transmitter worked by generating powerful electromagnetic waves that could resonate with the Earth's natural frequency. Tesla believed that by harnessing this resonance, he could transmit energy wirelessly over vast distances with minimal energy loss. He envisioned a system where energy could be beamed to receivers tuned to the same frequency, powering homes, businesses, and even transportation systems without the need for wires. While Tesla's grand vision for the magnifying transmitter was never fully realized, his experiments with wireless energy transmission left an indelible mark on the world. His contributions established the groundwork for numerous contemporary technologies, such as wireless communication networks, radio, and television. The principles behind Tesla's magnifying transmitter continue to fascinate and inspire researchers who are exploring new ways to harness electromagnetic resonance for wireless power transmission. Though Tesla's dream of a global wireless energy grid remains unrealized, his pioneering work continues to fuel our imaginations and push the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of energy technology. Section 5. Thomas Henry Moray, a pioneer of radiant energy. While Nikola Tesla's work focused on harnessing and transmitting electromagnetic energy, Another visionary inventor, Thomas Henry Moray, explored a different path to free energy, radiant energy. Tesla's contributions to the field of electricity are well documented, but Moray's journey is equally fascinating and often overlooked. Born in 1892 in Salt Lake City, Utah, Moray displayed an early aptitude for science and engineering. His early interest and enthusiasm for learning about the natural world laid the groundwork for his later inventions. Intrigued by the works of Tesla and other pioneers of electricity, Moray embarked on a lifelong quest to unlock the secrets of a mysterious energy source he believed permeated the universe. Motivated by an unwavering quest for knowledge, he devoted several hours to studying in labs and libraries. Moray's concept of radiant energy differed significantly from conventional understandings of electricity. Unlike the familiar flow of electrons through a conductor, radiant energy, according to Moray, was a more subtle and pervasive force. He believed that this energy, which he also referred to as the sea of energy, existed throughout the cosmos and could be harnessed using specialized antennas and circuits. This idea was revolutionary and challenged the established scientific norms of his time. Unlike Tesla's focus on electromagnetic waves, Moray's approach centered on capturing and converting this ubiquitous radiant energy into usable electrical power. His innovative designs and experiments aimed to demonstrate the practical applications of this energy. Throughout the 1920s and 1930s, Moray dedicated himself to developing devices capable of tapping into this radiant energy source. He experienced successes and disappointments throughout his career, but his resolve never faded. He believed that this energy could be accessed anywhere in the universe, offering a truly limitless and ubiquitous source of power. This vision of an endless supply of energy was both ambitious and inspiring. Moray's work, though often met with skepticism and resistance, represents a unique and intriguing chapter in the history of free energy research. Many of his contemporaries doubted the feasibility of his ideas, but Moray remained steadfast in his convictions. His unwavering belief in the existence of radiant energy and his tireless efforts to harness its power continue to inspire inventors and researchers seeking alternative energy solutions. Today, his legacy lives on in the ongoing quest for sustainable and renewable energy sources. Moray's legacy lies in his willingness to challenge conventional scientific paradigms and explore uncharted territories in the pursuit of a brighter energy future. His pioneering spirit serves as a reminder of the importance of innovation and the relentless pursuit of knowledge.